This is one of the workstations, a station, and an assembly bench here, which is not too far from the CNC machine over here. For the CNC, and then a saw station right next to the edge bander. Edge bander's getting some work. Lots of bander material. That and a couple full cabinets. But forklift parked for the weekend. And we have our sliding saw, vacuum system, line boring machine station. Right next to it, a planer, and then the sander. And then this is our major, actually the main saw for doing kind of detailed joinery and such. And this is kind of our shipping bay right here. So this is the first room, the big shop floor, where everyone shares machines. Then as you go through this door, there's a sanding station over there. This is just a builder's bench. He's piled his cabinets up pretty high around it. Needs to be moved out of there. There's a chop saw station behind that, normally just across the floor. Some little blocks for a parquet project. Then these are our last couple assembly stations here and right here. Then after that, we've got the storage area. A little bin in here. This is just where stuff gets stored waiting for finish. Have to keep going but not to press too hard. And here's our little finish shop. Just some of the work that happened to be getting dealt with as the week ended. A nice little furniture piece here. It's going to be a speckled finish with metallic. So things go from here and then they go into the drying room. Drying room's got stuff ready to either finish out projects or do all the hardware on them and stuff. We've got one right now that's like a leg now. It'll go into the drawer fronts. Anyway, this is always a collection of parts in here. So, and then it goes from here, like I showed, back out that door, right to the shipping bay, and then stuff goes out here. So we've got a nice little circle that kind of works around the production shop. Nice and quiet today on a holiday, Labor Day. Thanks for visiting.